Anna ran barefoot down a dimly lit, narrow hallway that twisted like a maze, trying to escape from the dark shadow that chased her. Somewhere in the distance, a clock ticked steadily, just out of reach. The ticking was faint at first, then it grew louder, louder than her thoughts, louder than her heartbeat. The ticking sound had become unbearable. It was shattering her peace of mind. She had to find the clock and destroy it. She didn't remember how the chase began. The only thing she remembered was scrolling through her phone past midnight. One more video, one more reel, one more wasted hour. She had planned to study for her exams, but that never happened. Like always, Anna was brilliant but lazy. A dreamer who never moved. Every morning she set 5 alarms and snoozed all of them. Every night she made promises to change herself, but she never kept her word. Her parents begged her to focus on her studies. Her teachers warned her she would regret her laziness one day. But nothing changed. She called herself a slow starter. They called her a lost cause. Now she was running for her life, though she did not know what was chasing her. The ticking grew louder. She turned a corner and froze. Hundreds of clocks lined the walls, some fast, some broken, some counting backward. Each one whispered fragments of her own voice. Just 5 more minutes. I'll start tomorrow, not today. She covered her ears and ran. The shadow followed. Every time she wasted a second, it was closer to her, taller, darker, more shapeless. It didn't run. It simply floated toward her, swallowing both the light and the warmth. The air grew colder around her. Panic shot through her veins. She started running faster. A door appeared ahead. She burst through it and stumbled into her own classroom. Her seat was empty. Her classmates were gone. Only her teacher stood there, erasing her name from the blackboard. Her teacher said, "You had time, but you just didn't use it." The room faded. Anna ran again. The hallway bent and changed into another door. She pushed it open. Inside was an older version of herself, sitting in a dim principal's office. Stacks of answer papers in her own handwriting, each with scribbled red comments on them, lay scattered across the desk. The older Anna couldn't look at those papers. Her eyes burned. She just whispered, "I didn't study for those exams. I thought I had more time." Anna stumbled out of the room, trembling. The shadow filled the doorway. Its edges flickered like smoke, swallowing the light. She turned and ran up a staircase that seemed endless. The ticking was everywhere now, louder, faster, mocking her. At the top, an iron door stood waiting. She shoved it open. Inside, a golden clock floated in the dark. It glowed like sunlight through fog. "That's it," she gasped, stepping closer. But when she reached for it, her hand passed through air. "Why can't I touch it?" she cried out. A voice echoed from somewhere. "Because you never owned it. You were given time to use, not to waste." The shadow moved in. The golden clock's ticking grew frantic. Anna screamed, "Please, make it stop!" The clock stopped. Then a shrill ringing filled her ears. She jolted awake. Her alarm blared beside her bed. Morning light spilled through the window. Her heart pounded. For a second, she didn't know where she was. Then she saw her cluttered desk and her untouched notes. She realized that she was dreaming. Oh, what a horrible nightmare. Her mother knocked on her door. "Anna, you'll be late again." Anna looked at the clock, but this time, something inside her shifted. She got up. No snooze button, no excuses. She freshened herself, sat at her desk, and started studying. Her phone buzzed with notifications. She switched it off. For the first time, the ticking didn't scare her. It reminded her that she still had time, but not forever. After a few weeks, both her parents and her teachers noticed the change within her. The lazy girl who once chased deadlines was now racing ahead of them. But sometimes, late at night, when she scrolled too long, she would hear it again faintly, that ticking in the dark, and she would smile, whispering, "I remember." Time never stops. It doesn't slow down for your distractions, and it doesn't pity your excuses. You can't chase it once it's gone. Unless you respect time now, you will fall way behind in the future. Finally, an appeal. While I thank all those who have subscribed to my channel, 90% of my viewers are still not subscribing. If you have benefited from any of my videos so far, please subscribe to my channel to watch more such videos in the future. It takes time to create videos like these, and small content creators like me need your support to continue making videos for you. Also, tell me in the comments which country you are from. Thanks for watching.